The benefits to having a trailer. You get to help your buddy out when he needs some help. Well, what's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Vette channel. Today, as you just heard, we're gonna help my buddy tow his car to a shop because it's leaking some oil. I'm sure you hear it in the background. Ooh, Cone, you just about biffed it. You did good. They seem to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3
people on.
Cowboy dance.
Alright guys, we're back. It's another day. I didn't actually get to film hauling my buddy's car like I had thought I was gonna. So anyhow, tell you a quick little story about it, because I'm sure you're wondering. He too is having transmission problems, and so he asked, hey, can you help me haul my car? You know, me being me, I'm like, heck yeah, man. So we go ahead and we got his car to the shop. It's gonna get fixed up, and then maybe I found the place where I'll send my car to get the transmission put in and maybe some more work done too. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Gotta talk to the guy and that stuff sort of thing, but seems promising. I've just got to get it figured out. And right now I'm sitting at a bank. I'm about to just drive on off because they are packed and it's 11. Like, what the heck, man? So that was last night, and I need to go to the store now to Tractor Supply and buy a new pin because I lost one. I think I lost it on the road. And I also need to figure out how to unbend one of my ramp flaps because it's bent and it's not closing right. So I gotta figure out what the heck happened there. Get that fixed. So the trailer's kind of having a little bit of issues. Not anything major. And then the other big thing is we get home last night from dropping off his car, and I get a phone call. Well, you need to quarantine again. Close contact, close exposure. Man, I'm telling you what, right now at this point, it's gonna become the flu. And what I mean by that is we're not gonna have quarantines. We're not gonna worry about quarantining people. We're gonna get to a point where if you get COVID, it's just the flu. I realize, yeah, it's still gonna affect some people worse, but I promise we will get to a point where Corona becomes the new flu. And if you're sick, you stay home. And if you're really sick, you go to the doctor. If you're super sick, you're gonna go to the hospital. And that's that. We'll get over this hump. And I don't think we're at the hump yet. I think we're getting there. But in the end, that's what it's gonna come down to. Is it's just gonna become another flu. And I can't wait, because this is officially the 8th time somebody in the family has been quarantined. And by family, I mean immediate family, the ones in my house. So, yep. Can we just not have school next semester and just have a really long, let's just take next year off. No school, just vacation. for everybody. No, I dream big, don't I? If only that paid the bills. But anyways, I got some good news. Yesterday I was able to do my pre-install and send off some notes and some things for a upcoming video. Today I have it reinstalled, and you might see it on my shades. Maybe not. And honestly, I kind of like it. It's pretty cool. It's a neat little system. But we're gonna pull up at the bank. I'm gonna stop real quick, catch up in a second. Woo! Get you guys back up here. All right, there we go. So, yep, we're quarantined. Well, one of us is quarantined again, and he is not thrilled. Neither am I. But it's life. It goes on. We'll get past this, and we will get back to life as we knew it. Not as we know it, as we knew it. So I tell you right now, I'm not about to continue to wear a mask for the rest of my life. It's not happening. Nope. And, you know, there's Constitution, and if it's not upheld, then they can be overthrown. Yep. Immediately forfeit their positions. So it is what it is. And now we're on our way to Tractor Supply. And we're gonna pick up one of them linchpins for the trailer. Now you might be asking yourself, wait, but you just said you're quarantined. Well, I'm not quarantined, but this is the 8th time our family has been quarantined. Somebody in the family has been quarantined. So one of my boys is quarantined. I'm not. So I'm free to go do what I need to do. Whereas for him, he's got to stay home. You can't go out into the stores. And then you're probably like, well, wait, so did you just leave him at home? Wouldn't you like that? Lucky for you, he's not. I found somebody willing to come over and watch him so I could go do my run around. And for you that came to help me out, thank you very much. I appreciate it. So, here we are, going to Tractor Supply, stopped at the bank. I was going to stop at Walmart and pick up some groceries, but Walmart won't let you use a gift card to order online. Explain to me how that one works out. I can't stand Walmart. Can't stand them. I am a Dillon's guy. But here we are at Tractor Supply, one of my favorite stores, and we are going to run inside here, find us a pin, get the trailer all fixed up, ready for the next round. So if you guys enjoyed this video today, smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think this modification could be that's coming or is on the way. There definitely wasn't a sneak peek in any video yesterday. So definitely go check that out. Oh, also, since I'm home all day now, I'm just gonna kind of do my vlogs during my day and upload them at night. We may get some in the morning. We'll see how it works out. But I'm kind of enjoying this vlog during the day, edit, upload during the night. It's pretty nice. So, stay tuned. Catch you guys later.
Oh, dear.
Those are male or
Hi, dear.
Yep, those are does.
That one.